Running a trade business is hard. Spending time in the field, time with clients, time on the job. But at the end of the day, do you sometimes feel like you're drowning in paperwork? Or you're losing control of your teams, quotes, invoices or customers? Is money falling through the cracks? If only there was an easier way to manage the admin so you could get on with the jobs. Meet ServCraft, South Africa's #1 digital job management solution that helps you automate those important little things so you can focus on the bigger picture. ServCraft puts you in control by turbocharging your teams and freeing up your time so you can win more business, get paid faster, and have happier customers. Our web and mobile app makes it easy to manage your business in one place, streamlining your admin from the time your customers reach out to the moment they pay. Never lose a lead by capturing it straight to ServCraft. Win work faster by raising and tracking quotes. Supercharge your teams with scheduling, timers, checklists, and photos and videos. And get paid faster with invoices and payments. ServCraft keeps your customers in the loop every step of the way and lets you hear what they think straight after the job's done. Our local teams have helped hundreds of businesses like yours switch to ServCraft. We'll support you and your teams to craft a solution that's right for your business. So, if you're done with papering over the cracks, join thousands of South African installation, maintenance, and service professionals who are winning more business, getting paid faster, and having happier customers. Take control of your business with ServCraft and sign up for a free trial today.